What is a proportional valve? A proportional valve is a valve that produces an output that is proportional to an electronically controlled input. It can produce an output in three forms: direction, pressure, or flow. Proportional valve coils operate on DC current and varying voltages, which produce a varying force to shift the spool. Common industries where proportional valves are used include food and beverage for bottle filling and furnace control to regulate gas supply. Automotive, automation, and aerospace industries use proportional valves frequently to regulate fluid flow in engines and hydraulic-powered equipment. Essentially, proportional valves are electronic flow controllers. Their precision and their capacity for remote activation make them an invaluable component for countless industrial applications where extremely accurate fluid or gas flow regulation is necessary. For more information about how Radwell can assist you with your proportional valve needs and repairs, visit radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.